Hello everybody, it's me classyfennekin. So, was a work day and parents went to Target apparently, and they found some stuff. Found one of these for like $3. Really what I'm interested in is, this part right here. This is kind of cool, but I've been wanting to try and get into VR. I have this new phone. So we're gonna open this up. Kind of excited for this one. Don't have my knife today, so I have to pull it up. Uno momento. Oh, whoop. Put that up and grab it. Make sure there's no other instructions. First let's take a look at this. This is the headset you get. Oop. Little pop tab. Oh, how the heck do you open this thing up? Oh, and they're actually something we need to get in there. Or at least it looks like, yeah. There's some pads in there. Here is where your phone goes in. Ooh. I did not like the sound of that. That's one other thing I like about this one. That's actually one other nice thing I like about this one over the other. Over some of the other cheap kind of types of these. Is also let me rotate. And go down. But yeah. The other nice thing I like about the one thing I like about this one is it's with the straps. It's 3 straps, so it's slotted on your head and it should stay. What this little guy is. Yeah, let's see what he is. Oh, it's just this. that. But next is this guy. This is the wheel. This is apparently Bluetooth, according to the stuff. It's kind of good. There are actually there are, and this is not these are these kind of wireless wheels are actually not too this actually is the first time I've seen a wireless wheel. Sim Raceway, they think they partnered up with Thrustmaster for some company, and they have like a full-on racing wheel like this, and it's wireless. But oh, and finally, instructions. See, smartphone. Your bomb. So yeah. So this is going to be a fun thing to mess with. We got, so recap what we got here is, so pretty much be the headset. I don't know how this is going to work, but and then this wheel. Also, this is I think, yeah, gas, brake. Plus is gas, and then this is brake. So yeah. So I guess thank y'all for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little video, and like the video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thank y'all so much for watching. Bye for now. Peace.